Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We discovered an innovative cleaning tool that promises to make your life a little easier, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Let's dive into the world of the electric spin scrubber, an IPX7 waterproof power shower cleaner that can transform your cleaning routine. So, what exactly is the electric spin scrubber? This powerful cleaning device is designed to tackle all those stubborn stains and hard-to-reach areas in your bathroom and home. With its cordless design and adjustable handle, this scrubber allows you to clean without the hassle of bending over or kneeling, which can be especially beneficial for those with back or knee issues. Let's take a closer look at its standout features. The electric spin scrubber comes equipped with an extension handle that can be adjusted to 3 different lengths. This means you can scrub bathtubs, floors, and other surfaces without straining your back or knees. Plus, the built-in rechargeable lithium battery offers an impressive 100 minutes of cleaning time on a single charge, so you can tackle your entire cleaning session without interruptions. One of the most impressive aspects of this scrubber is its IPX7 waterproof rating. This allows you to use it in wet environments, such as showers and bathtubs, without worrying about damaging the device. You can even rinse it directly under the faucet to clean it after use. The durable bristles are made from high-quality PP material, ensuring that they can handle tough stains without scratching your surfaces. Now, let's talk about versatility. This electric spin scrubber comes with 7 interchangeable brush heads, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether you're dealing with recessed areas in bathtubs, narrow spots in sinks, or even cleaning glass and tiled walls, there's a brush head for every cleaning need. The soft bristles are specifically designed to prevent scratches on delicate surfaces, so you can clean with confidence. In addition to the main scrubber, you'll also receive 3 hard bristle crevice cleaning brushes. These brushes feature ultrafine pet bristles that are tougher than standard brushes, making them ideal for reaching deep into hard-to-access areas. Think about all those gaps in your kitchen sink, shower door tracks, or bathroom tiles. This tool can help you clean them with ease, ensuring a spotless home. For those who appreciate efficiency, the electric spin scrubber also features a 2-speed adjustable setting. With 280 revolutions per minute for daily cleaning and 360 revolutions per minute for deep cleaning, you can customize the cleaning intensity based on your needs. Its cordless, detachable design makes it easy to maneuver, and the USB-C fast charging means you won't be waiting long to start your next cleaning task. So, who is this electric spin scrubber suitable for? It's perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine, especially those with mobility issues or those who simply want to save time and effort. Whether you're a busy parent, someone who struggles with physical limitations, or just someone who wants to keep their home in top-notch condition, this scrubber is a game-changer. Practical use cases for this scrubber abound. Imagine effortlessly cleaning your bathroom tiles, shower stalls, or bathtubs without the need for a knee pad or excessive bending. You can also use it to clean surfaces in your kitchen, like countertops and stoves, as well as your car's exterior, tires, and seats, making it a versatile cleaning companion in your home. In conclusion, the electric spin scrubber is an excellent investment for anyone wanting an easier and more effective cleaning experience. Its thoughtful design and powerful features make it a must-have tool. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.